Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into an autopilot investment app that promises to make investing simple, smart and stress-free. But is it worth your time and money? Let's find out. First off, autopilot investing is designed for anyone who wants to grow their wealth without spending hours researching stocks or mutual funds. Think of it as your financial co-pilot. You set your goals, risk level and preference and the app does the rest. One feature I love is how user-friendly it is. From setting up your account to tracking your investment, everything is streamlined, plus their AI-based algorithms automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep you on track with your goals. They also offer a range of portfolio options from conservative to aggressive, so you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all approach. And did I mention their low fees compared to traditional advisors? Big win for your wallet. Okay, let's talk pros and cons. The pros are it's easy to use, has low fees, and is perfect for hands-off investors. And the cons are if you are someone who loves picking individual stocks or making high-risk bets, this app might feel limiting. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.